Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I am testing the My Route app. It's something I've just started trying. No, I am not sponsored. This is only the second time I've used it. And I have a basic route laid out, and I'm purposely ignoring it right now just to see how it recalculates and everything. I'm anything but an expert at this point, but she should start yelling at me here pretty soon because I didn't turn right. This is where I'm going. I'm going to the start of my route, which is a start and a stop is shown by hand. That much I have learned. But I'm purposely going to miss the start of my route, and I'm going to make it recalculate to the second point of my route. The first time I did this and experimented with it, I'm not sure what was going on, but it was taking me to the stopping point of my route every time instead of to the next point of my route like it's supposed to. What I've been looking for ever since I decided to go with a tablet for navigation is something as close to, as good as, or maybe even better than the Garmin GPSs that I've loved so much over the years. Right now, based on my initial impression, my route app, or route app, however you like to say that word, seems like it's going to be the absolute best thing for that. But that's just first impressions. I've been using Osmo Plus. I like it. It's an annual subscription, but it has a lot of things that I don't like about it. This, as of today, yeah, sure. Let's just say it's May of 2024. It's a one-time fee to get everything for $200 lifetime. Now, depending on when you watch this video, that may or may not be true still. This is a Dutch company based on some of the YouTube videos that I've watched, and this company does produce... Hey, look at the deer down there walking through the water. Wonder if I got that on camera. This company does produce a bunch of how-to videos, which are really nice. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to slow way down just to make life easy. Set the cruise control at 37. I'm going to press on the hand, and I'm going to tell it to skip waypoint. Oop, I waited too long, because really waypoint 2 is a better place to go from where I am right this second than waypoint 1 where I started the route, but I did that on purpose. So skip it. Okay, it says go to waypoint 2. That's just how I named it. You can name it anything you like. So that's what we are going to do. And I'll be back after a bit and we'll see how it does. Alright, as we still navigate to number 2 here, one of the things that I really like about this app, okay, now that she's interrupted, one of the things I really like about it is the amount of data it shows. Now I do have it set to maximum. Shows me the road I'm on, the next turn I'm going to make, my route, if there's gas, the speed limit versus what I'm doing. If I want, I can hit that red button and record this and share it like I do in some of my videos. What I'm purposely going to do here is I have waypoint 4 set up for me to go a different route. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to purposely miss it. I'm not going to manually skip it. And we'll see if it goes on to waypoint 5 by itself. Okay, I am a half a mile from my turn, 1 mile from my waypoint, but I am not going to turn up here at the 4-way stop. I'm going to continue to go straight, then make a right, which will take me to waypoint 5, and we will see how this behaves. Okay, here's where we make her mad. Well, without me even noticing, if you see that now, which you probably can't because of the glare, it is now taking me to waypoint 5. So because waypoint 5 makes more sense than 4 now, I guess it realized I'm an idiot since I missed waypoint 4, albeit on purpose, and now it's taking me to waypoint 5. Cool. One thing I should mention as we're getting ready to turn on this county road, I do not have any avoidances turned on right now. So any kind of road, whether it be interstate or gravel, this will navigate me down right now. There are settings that you can turn things like that off. And the reason I say that is I don't know if I'm going to end up on gravel, but I know there's a bunch of gravel roads in this part of the world. Well, since I have the GPS calculating any road it feels like, it took me down this really cool county road I've never been on. And let's just say the farm fresh country air has been wonderful. That's the third dog here in the last couple of tenths of a mile. For me, another important thing I forgot to mention about my route app is while you're at home, you can download all the maps you want to download, so you'll have the offline map availability when and if you need it. I travel to a lot of places, even on just little excursions like this, where I get no cell service. For me, that's a must to be able to download offline maps and have them available when I need them. Okay, our route is almost over. We have about 1 mile to go. Where's my destination? I'm sure you're sitting on the edge of your seat wondering. I just picked a place. I decided to pick Malabar Farms here in, I guess, north central Ohio, if you want to call it that. It's a pretty famous place around here. I thought we would make that the end of the video, and I'll be back when we get there. So this is basically your Malabar Farm area here. I know it has nothing to do with this introduction to this app, but since we were in the area, I just thought I'd tell you about it. I must say the app itself did really well getting me here, which the reason I chose here is someplace I did not need navigation to find my way around. That way I knew how to purposely screw up my route that I had put into the GPS earlier today and to see how it would react. Overall, I'm very happy with it so far for this initial test. If you've never heard of this app, hey, look it up. I don't get anything for you looking it up and buying it, but if you don't mind, I would like a thumbs up, and if you haven't, smash that subscribe button down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And there's Malabar Farm. And we're just going to purposely miss this and call it a day. I thank you for watching, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thanks a bunch.